Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing questions 10 and 11 from class 12 HSC's chapter 2 application of derivatives exercise 2.1. We've already covered questions 1 through 9. Don't forget to check those out. They are like the basics of these this exercise, this particular chapter. So yeah, do check them out. Now jumping straight into the question. Now we've already done a couple questions like this one before. So this is kind of a breeze. So, if each side of an equilateral triangle increases at the rate of this, find the rate of increase of its area when the side of the length is this much. So, let the side of a triangle be x. So, you're given dx by dt is equal to root 2 centimeter per second. Now you're asked to find its area, length or x. You're asked to find its rate of increase of area when x is equal to 3, when length is equal to 3. Now what do we know? We know that area of an equilateral triangle, correct? Let's symbolize that with A. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 x square. Now if you don't know how this is, or if you don't know the derivation of this equation, just drop a comment, or I'll try to make a derivation video of this in a short very soon, because it's like very easy. But if you don't know by heart this right now, I'll make a short on the derivation very soon. Okay, so basically that's your area of a triangle, an equilateral triangle's formula. Now how will you differentiate this? Differentiating with respect to t. Why t? Because it's differentiating with respect to time. It's given in second over here, that's why t. So you have to find dA by dt at x equal to 3, correct? So dA by dt, if you differentiate this, dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4 is a constant, comes here. X square, derivative of x square is 2x. But since we are not differentiating with respect to x, we are differentiating with respect to t, you also have a term of dx by dt. Now you have to find dA by dt. So that means everything here has to be substituted. Let's substitute. Root 3 by 4. 2x, that means 2 into 3 into dx by dt. Dx by dt you already have root 2. Correct? So once you do this, 2 2s are, so you have 3, and root 3 into root 2 is root 6 upon 2. Now nothing can be divided here, so that's your final answer. What some people will do, they'll take the root 2 here and divide it by this. Instead of having the term of root in both numerator and denominator, I suggest that you only have it in your numerator or only in your denominator, as it works for you. Correct? So since dA by dt, the term here or the unit here will be centimeter square per second. This was very easy, a breeze. Moving on to question 11, and we'll be done with the video. Let's get ahead. So guys, here we have question number 11. So the volume of a square increases at the rate of this. So you're given dV by dt is equal to 20 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate at which its surface area is changing. So you are supposed to find ds by dt. At what? When its radius is 5 centimeter. At r equal to 5. Correct? So what do we know? We know the formula that your V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So your volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and your S is 4 pi r square. Basically, you know the value of dV by dt, from which you can find the value of dr by dt. Correct? So if you differentiate this, you have dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi. R cube can become 3r square into dr by dt. Correct? dV by dt we know is 20 is equal to 3 cancels off, so you have 4 pi r square. R, you know that the value is 5, so we'll just substitute that at r 5 into dr by dt. 4 by 5, you already know that it's 1 by pi. Okay, yeah, so you have r square, so that's 5 square. So 4 5s are, and 1 5 cancels off another one, so dr by dt you get the value to be 1 by 5 pi. Now once you have dr by dt, you will differentiate this, so ds by dt is equal to 4 pi. R square will become 2r, but since you're not differentiating with respect to r, it becomes dr by dt. We needed ds by dt at r equal to 5, so substitute 5 at r, so you have 4 pi into 2 into 5. dr by dt is 1 by 5 pi. 5 5 के साथ कट हो गया, pi pi से कट हो गया, you have 4 2s are 8. Now dr by dt is centimeter per second, but since it's ds by dt, it increases at the rate of centimeter square per second. So guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any more doubts or suggestions, and I'll make that derivation video on the derivation of the formula of the area of equilateral triangle if you have a doubt very soon. Thanks for watching.